Hey guys, what's up? It's Nika the Fashion Nika, and today we have a Zara haul. Today we have a Zara Sale haul. I am so excited because the last two, oh my god, I bit my tongue. Last time I shopped it was, oh god, like way too long.
Good morning!
Hey guys, what's up? It's Nika the Fashion Nika, and today we have a Zara haul. I haven't shopped the Zara Sale in, I think, like 2 seasons. Honestly, like my own personal opinion, I feel like it was so crappy the last 2 seasons. I genuinely tried to buy some things, but I don't know, I just wasn't hooked on it. And typically I'm very hooked on the Zara Sale. It's the only time I shop at Zara, and it's the only time I really buy in bulk. And oh my god, the sale was so good. Surprisingly, I didn't buy as much as I normally do, but I think right now I'm just picking pieces that I truly love because I don't know, I feel like I'm really into that like quality over quantity type of dealio. I got lots of stuff to show you today, so let's just get on with this video. First thing that I snagged was this beautiful top. Oh my gosh, it is so much fun. I love that it's cream. You guys, I am on like a cream white taupe neutral fix like the past month. I'm so excited. I don't know, it's just a newfound color palette that I'm really enjoying, and this is one of the pieces. Oh my god, it's so cool because, I mean, as you can see, like there are these fun palm frills like everywhere on this sweater, and it's a high collar with some really pretty ribbing detail. I really like it because it's like fun, but it's also classic at the same time. And even like the arms, look at how pretty that is. I just love the ribbing detail. It just looks like a very luxe sweater to me, which I really appreciate. And yeah, I just figured I would style this with some denim like I'm wearing today. Oh my gosh, I just realized this is also Zara. This thing goes with like everything, and even like during the summer I could totally see myself wearing this with like a white trouser, and it would look so cool. But anyways, I got this for $12. and moving on to the next item. The next item I received, oh my gosh, I wish Zara sponsored me, but no. The next item I purchased were these white high-waist cargo pant, and the reason I really liked it was because it fit really nicely. I'm not gonna wear it until maybe the springtime, but I figured I would probably get a lot of use out of this because I don't actually own a pair of like white pants. So yeah, the material was great, it fit nicely. I think I might have to either roll these up or cut them. I can't really decide what I want to do with the bottom hem yet, but I really appreciated these. It would even be cute actually with my sweater. Yeah, I'm still trying to decide, play around like different outfits with this one because it is going to be a little bit more tough to style personally for me because I don't really wear white pants, so I just don't have the experience yet. But maybe with this I will have more experience. Anyways, let's get on with the next item. Oh, by the way, I got this for $15. Moving on. Which one do I want to do? Oh, I can do my fave. This is one of my favorites that I actually found. Oh my god, I am so excited about this. So it is honestly just a wallet on a chain, but the conveniency is amazing. It's like literally just a small crocodile vegan leather. Oh my gosh, you guys, like seriously, I'm obsessed. First you have your cards here, and then you can put your coins in here, and you have the option to take off this chain. But why would you? It's so convenient, especially like when I'm at work. You guys, I throw it over like this, and then I'll attach my keys like right here because I have to have my keys out anyways because there's like a little key fob that I always have to get in and out of the office with. And what's also beautiful about this is, first off, you can adjust the length because of this chain, and additionally you can make it into a freaking like fanny packy like thing. I'm so excited about this, you guys. It is so freaking like worth it, especially because the tag said it was $20, so I was already willing to pay $20 because I just knew it was gonna be very handy for me. But it ended up being only $10. Thank you, Zara, for surprising me always at the cash register. You make me so happy. Okay, moving on to the next item. You guys, I freaking live in Zara Denim. Like, You guys, literally this pair that I'm wearing right now, I wore it almost every day during the summer. I'm not proud to say that, but they were just so comfortable. They stretch out, but then it's also like a comfortable stretch. It's not gonna stretch out too much where it's like you keep pulling up your pants, it just stays. So you definitely, like when you're getting Zara denim, you for sure have to know your size. I get a size down because I know that it will stretch, and so it'll be uncomfortable for the first few times wearing it, but it'll be so comfortable after that. I always cut the bottom for Zara denim because it has this really cool fray. So yeah, this is what I'm gonna do with this pair. I know these look very similar, but side by side, no, they don't. They don't look similar at all. It is a high-rise classic mom fit, and I just love how they have this always on their denim. Oh, you guys, I love them. This next item I snagged was this super cute minty, it's not even a mint, it's like a pastel mint with gold hardware bucket bag. I personally love the style of bucket bags, and even like this cool gold detail. It's kind of fun where you have to like push it down. It's like a gold cube, and it has ribbing. It looks very designer, and it was only $12. However, you guys, so I recently received a designer handbag from Mabe, and it is also in the style of a bucket bag, so that's why I'm really torn. I haven't even unveiled that bucket bag to you guys yet because I'm saving it. I want to get a cute picture before I start sharing it. It's such a good color. This is definitely not the same color as the other bucket bag. We'll see. Oh, it's even cute with this outfit today. Okay, let me know what you think. I just need so much advice, you guys, from you. Please help me out. You know this isn't a Zara haul if you don't have the basic tees. You guys, there were so many good basic tees out there, but I don't know, there were just so many, but I ended up only buying one. I'm surprised. Honestly, I might go back for more because they're so stinking comfortable. I wear it to sleep, I wear it to work out, I wear it casually, I wear it to work. There are just so many ways because it's such good quality. So they have the Friends TV series collab. You guys, I love Friends. Like, it first is The Office, and then it's Friends, and then it's Black Mirror. I freaking love this tee so much. This was the very first episode if you have never watched Friends. It says the one where Monica gets a roommate, and this is basically Rachel right here in her wedding dress. She ended up having cold feet and not going through with the marriage, and then this is where the whole gang meets her. Oh my god, I'm freaking obsessed with this, and it's so freaking comfortable, and even the back is so cute. This is like the coffee hangout spot where they always hung out every episode. I would just wear this with some denim and then some boots, and I got it for $5. All right, moving on to the next item. So this next item, you guys, I'm obsessed with. They are these stunning boots. Look at how cool the heel is too. Oh, please autofocus. Yes, thank you. Okay, I thought the heel was so cool, but on top of that, like, I just wear white boots so often. I have a white ankle boot that I wear religiously, probably 2 to 3 times a week, and I feel like those have gotten beat up so much that I should get this pair. I love the pointiness of this as well, and I got this one for $15. But you guys, I don't know if this is too similar, because maybe it's similar because it's white, but I also bought this white pointed flat, mind you. Focus. Yes. Okay, yeah, so the heel is kind of cool. Are these two similar? Can you comment down below if you think I should return this one? Because I love these are for sure we're keeping, but this one I'm just not certain. I'm not sold on it because whatever outfit I style, I feel like if I'm in between these two options, I'll probably always go with this one because it's a more elevated look. This would be a little bit more casual, so maybe for work, I don't know. If this was $15 as well, so you tell me, what do you think? Should I keep both, return this one? You can style them all the time, especially during the spring just, I think pops of white are like my go-to right now. I'm telling you, the color, like the neutral color palette is what I am like digging recently. So, okay, moving on to the last item already. What the heck? Okay, see, I told you this wasn't really a big sale haul. The next item, you guys, I don't even know. You're gonna either love it or hate it. There's no in between. I got this chunky black sweater. From afar, it's like, whoa, what is that print? But up close, you know, like only a really dedicated Zara fan would wear this and embrace it. And it's so comfortable. It's like a nice stretchy sweater material too, and it just keeps me nice and warm in the office. Oh, this was so cute. I would wear this with an all black outfit, red lip, a nice handbag, some white boots. Oh, I got it for $12, by the way. That wraps up this. Was this sun here the entire time? Oh, that's gonna annoy me so much. Oh, that wraps up this Zara sale haul. I really hope you enjoyed, because I did. I love filming Zara sale hauls, or actually just hauls in general, because I get so excited about these deals and I love to share it with you guys because I know you guys get excited too. So anyways, if you do like hauls, be sure to like this video so I know. Also, be sure to subscribe to this channel because I would appreciate it. I will see you guys in my next video. Hugs and kisses. Goodbye. Mwah.